Hey seekers of the NOMADness life. Let me show you the project Mr. NOMADness is working on. This will help you to avoid leaks in your slide and rotting floors. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna show you. How you going, baby? Nice job. Yeah, like you do me all the time. Okay, so most slides don't have the, what do you call that? The canopy. Like this one don't have a canopy. Yorkie Mom's doesn't have a canopy. So what'll happen is, even when you're level, the water will drain off there, off the roof of it, and roll down, and then it'll go down into here, and they'll start rotting the floor inside. So we're doing preventive maintenance. Yep, to avoid leaks. So he's gonna take off the trim, and then the floor is right under here. It's nice and dry, thank God. And then he'll show you what he's gonna do. And we're gonna use, we found this very effective, leak stopper rubber flex waterproof tape. They use this on roofs.
I know.
So
it's good.
It's good stuff. And then you get all your putty off. We did it on the other side because that side had a previous leak before we bought it. And then we see where you can see where the water has run down. We have not had a nice day to scrub this yet. And it would go down in here, which this now has silicone. And underneath this trim is that tape. See it? Because this floor had some rot in the corner. And when they sold it to us, they had a couch in the way so we wouldn't see it. So he's gonna make sure we don't have a problem on this side.
Yeah, it was starting to leak a little bit.
Like starting to come down the side?
Yeah, because this corner was up, so it was coming on there.
Yeah, and it rolls underneath, and then all that's here right here, well, there is the black on this one,
yeah,
though.
But
that black doesn't do hardly anything. Whatever that covering is.
It's for the slide.
Yeah, it's just for the slide. God, we gotta scrub this thing.
I bought a brush.
Oh, you did buy a long handle brush?
Yeah.
We're gonna scrub it as soon as we have a day. It's winter here, so we get rain almost every day. Today we're getting storms, so he's gonna make sure this is protected.
This is like really good stuff. It's called Rubber Flex Leak Stopper. Waterproof tape. Just like Eternabond, but
Better.
it's better than Eternabond. So this is smooth until you cut it. Yeah.
You don't get much.
You get 10 feet.
10 feet for how much?
Oh.
At Home Depot.
10 feet for $19.
Yeah, 20 bucks. $2 a foot.
And you always have extra. Don't put it in the dirt.
Here, give me it.
Now, make sure all this dirt's off. Just in case. This is fine. This stuff sticks big time. You can even rough this up if you want. See how sticky it is?
Really sticky. So do you just start applying it and then peel it off?
Yeah. So I want to put it back here first.
Hold on, let me move the flap.
Yeah, move the flap.
We gotta scrub this. God.
So you can, I do it like,
All the way in. There you go. Kind of stretches too, don't it?
try to put it on as even as possible. Really sticky. Just really sticky.
You gotta do it while the camper's dry too. So, we've been lucky we haven't had rain for 2 days.
This stuff has some grip.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at it, I can't even move my fingers.
Tropical bird.
Now the water will come down and just...
Yep. It won't go underneath now. Yeah, it doesn't run down this side as much as the other.
And then I put a bead of
Silicone.
silicone on it, anywho. Yeah, this is like really sticky. And this little piece, whatever it is, goes here. Not sure what that's for, but
Whatever.
I do have a roller. I can roll it, but it's stuck.
Plus you do the silicone anyway.
Yeah, I do a bead of silicone just on top of this.
Then he just puts the trim piece back on
Yep.
and runs a bead of clear silicone. Alright guys, see you later.